Good day. I've got the lower left hand side fairing back on my 2025 Ducati V2. And I mentioned in a previous video that this can be taken off with the side stand down, and so obviously you can put it back on with the side stand down. If someone tells you you can't do it like that, you have to have the kickstand up, that's bullshit. There's so much of it out there. I'm not saying it's the right way to do it. I'm just saying it can be done. I'm not recommending that. I'm just saying it can be done. I did it. So, I mentioned there are a total of 12 fasteners to remove to get this lower left hand side fairing off. So let's go through them. Total of 12. Start underneath. There are 4 under here. Here's finger 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One chrome is here. There's a chrome one here. It's in the center. Trying to remember that. That's 4. And then there are 2 more chrome ones in the front of the fairing here. 4. Here. 5, 6. Those are chrome. 6. Those take a 4mm hex wrench. Okay, so the count is at 6. I should do these ones here. There's one here. 7. And there's one here, up here. 8. It's chrome. You're at 8. See it? 8. Okay. And there's one in here. That's 9. You can see it there, 9. Okay. 10. Fingers pointing 10. 11. And this last one here, 12, by the shifter. See that one here? That's 12. Okay. Isn't a bad idea to put a bit of grease on these screws. They're easier to take out next time around, especially the ones under here, because they're going to get soaked with water and mud, sand, whatever. And also a bit of grease on the inside here. Helps. It snaps together pretty good. It's good, good fit, typical Ducati. There's your 12 fasteners. And I should mention this one here. I fucked up this one here. I was putting in and I dropped it. It fell down in here. Damn it! What do you do then? Well, that's why they invented these mechanics magnets. When you fuck up. So it was in here, so I fished it out. I saw it there. Okay, so save the day. So to avoid that, put a rag in there. Working on this one. Invariably, you'll drop it. This one here will fall there, and it just falls there. You pick it out of the rag and put it back in. This one here too. Same here. Put the rag here. This one is difficult, unless you got a magnetic hex wrench, long handle. That help too. If it falls, it will. Can't get it in, it lands here and just pick it out. Okay, no problem. Just don't forget to take out the rag. Don't drive around like that. Would be good for the cooling efficiency. Okay, so there you have it. Let's go through the 12 fasteners to take out for posterity. I'm doing this job next time around. Apparently I'm good for 12,000 kilometers or 2 years with this oil and filter change. Don't know how much I'll ride it this year, this coming season. Other bikes to ride, but this is kind of a favorite. Of course, it's shiny and new. There you have it. Reinstalling the lower left-hand side fairing on my 2025 Ducati V2. Thanks for watching.